Hey everyone, it's Wednesday and this is our second video together. Guys, I wanted you to look around your house to see if you could find any circles. Well, I looked around my house and I saw so many circles. There are circles everywhere in our house. I'm going to show you some circles that I saw in my house. Okay, are you ready? The first circular thing I saw was an apple. Is an apple a circle? Yeah. The second circular thing that I saw was this can. You might be thinking, Miss Jackson, that's not a circle. But look when I do this. The top of the can is a circle. Let me show you something else. The bottom of the can is a circle too. What in the world? Then I looked and I looked in my medicine cabinet and look what I found. A medicine bottle. And on the top and on the bottom, circle. Then I looked in my cookie jar, just like a little mouse, and I found an oatmeal cream pie. Is this a square? No, this is a circle. And then I kept looking, and I found this little tomato. And look how round and a perfect circle this tomato is. Then I opened my refrigerator, and I was searching and searching for circles, and look what I found. This cheese is a circle. Some of you have this cheese at your house. And then I was doing the dishes, and I looked down, and look, I have a plate. Are plates circular? They are. There is a big circle, and then look in the middle. There's another smaller circle. They're everywhere, guys. And then I got my spoon and I was stirring some soup and I thought, I guess I don't have any other circles in my whole house. Do you see any other circles? I had my spoon and I just couldn't find any. What? There's a circle on my spoon? Guys, look at that. There are circles everywhere. I just thought this was a spoon. I was stirring my soup. And there is a circle in the middle of my spoon. There are circles everywhere. If you look around your house, I bet you can find circles everywhere. I don't have any toy trucks at my house or toy cars at my house. I bet you do. Do you think toy trucks or toy cars have circles? They do. Let's see. There's all kinds of circles. I want you to see what kind of circles that you can find in your house. Look at my magnifying glass. Is that a circle? You're right. Good job. Does a circle have any sides? Doesn't. A circle is one round line that makes it a circle. You can make a circle with your hand. You can make a big circle with your body. You can make a little bitty circle with your arms and your hands. It's pretty fun to talk about circles and to talk about all the shapes, but the circle shape is my favorite. What I would like for you to do today, and we're going to do this together, is we're going to count because it's so fun to count and so important to learn how to count. What I did is I got this muffin tin and I put numbers in it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. You probably have a muffin tin at home and your mom and dad could just write on a piece of paper these numbers. Could you go further? Could you go up to 10? Could you go up to 12? You could. And what we're going to do is we're going to put circular pom-pom balls in my muffin tin. And parents, your child might be able to count to 10 or 20 or further, but the key is, do they know what counting to 10 is? And do they know 10? Do they know 5? Do they know 4? They might could count to 30, but if they don't know what those numbers are, if they can't recognize those numbers, and they can't count one-to-one correspondence, that's what our goal is in 3-year-old class, is to be able to touch each one and count. So when they have 4, this might be a little tricky to do here. If they have 4 balls, it's very important for them and kids to be able to use your pointer finger, touch each ball, and count it. So here, it's Miss Jackson's turn. I'm going to count this. 1, 2, 3, 4. I counted 4 puffballs. Can you do that? 1, 2, 3, 4. Good job. So with this, you're going to put the right number of balls in each muffin tin. So if I have 1, how many balls am I going to put in this tin? You're right, 1. My 1 sphere is going to go in this muffin tin. Let's go next. What is this number? Ah! My 1 ball fell out. It's going to be tricky. The number 2. So I'm going to put 1, 2 balls in that circular muffin tin. Guys, there are circles all on this muffin tin. Did you notice that? Okay, what number is this? 3. Let's put 3 circles in this muffin tin. 1. These are smaller. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's do the next one. What is that number? Number 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This muffin tin's getting filled up. Oh, 1 fell out. Our last one together. What is that number? 6. You're right. So let's count 6 balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, my muffin tins are filled with these balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Which muffin tin has the most balls? Is it this one? No. Is it this one? No. It's this one. 6 is the most muffin tin, most balls in this muffin tin. So parents, use this concept. I use this skill, work on this skill all year long. And we go all the way up to 20. It's really important for them to touch and count the different objects. They're not going to be able to just look at a number and know that that's 5. They're going to have to touch it and count it, and then they will probably recount. So what's a good way to do is to line up your things where they look, they're easier to count, to line them up before they start counting, maybe even in a row, and to touch them, not 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They'll do this to touch and count like that. This is called one-to-one correspondence. This helps with math development and math feeling secure about math. A lot of people don't feel secure because they don't really understand the concept, and this is the basic concept to start loving math and to start really understanding it, that 4 is just not a number, it's 4 objects. It seems pretty simple, but it's kind of hard to get. It's something we work on all year. So you can go all the way up to 12 or 20. If you don't have a muffin tin, you can just draw circles on a piece of paper, and then they can put something, beans or macaroni noodles or goldfish, whatever, into the circle to work on that. So that's something that I would like for you to work on today. One-to-one correspondence, counting 1 to 10, 1 to 6, whatever you would like to count up to. Okay, have a great day. Bye, guys.